Hello, my name is Lucretia Cornell, aka Tam, and this is my video on the sheep kidney dissection and anatomy identification. Beginning with the surface anatomy, the kidneys are encased in a fibrous capsule, also called the renal capsule. It surrounds the kidney. Here are the remnants of that. There's a series of tubes. The first tube, the large tube coming from the bottom, is the ureter. Above that is the renal vein, and it collapses as it has the thinnest walls. And above that we have the renal artery. These tubes all come out of the hilum, which is a recessed or concave area, the medial side of the kidney. As we open it up, we can examine the internal anatomy. We have the outer area called the cortex. It is slightly lighter than the renal medulla or medullary area. The glomerulus is a structure inside of a renal corpuscle which exists in the cortex. We cannot see them. However, they would be here. In between each of these structures in the medulla are called renal columns. These are in between pyramids. And we can see the pyramids, the base, and they come to a point which is called an apex, and out of that apex is a papilla. Moving on, we have the major calyces, and coming from these major calyces are minor calyces. We can see them. Which move into the major calyces and into the pelvis area here. Now we explore the blood vessels. You can't really see them from this internal view. However, we know that superiorly we have the renal artery, which split off into segmental arteries. And the segmental arteries split off into interlobar arteries, which go in between the pyramids up the columns. Those split off into arcuate arteries and veins, which encircle the base of the pyramids. And branching from that are the interlobular arteries, which go out into the cortex, and veins. Those leading back to the veins, reversing interlobular veins, arcuate veins, interlobar veins, back into the segmental veins, into the renal vein.